Hello everyone, this is Steve John. Welcome to another session of Chemistry Made Easy. Today, we will learn the rule for significant figures in addition and subtraction. So let's begin. For addition and subtraction, the rule states that we need to round the sum or difference to the same number of decimal places as the measurement with the fewest number of decimal places. This means that the number of decimal places in the final answer is based on the original number that has the fewest number of decimal places. To better understand this rule, let's have an example. Consider this addition problem, 43.02 ml plus 2.4 ml. So how do we apply the rule for significant figures in this problem? The first step is we calculate the sum. By adding these numbers manually or by using a calculator, the answer would be 45.42 ml. The second step is we count the number of decimal places in each of the original measurements. In 43.02 ml, there are 2 decimal places. In 2.4 ml, there is only 1 decimal place. Again, the rule states that the answer should be rounded to the same number of decimal places as the measurement with the fewest number of decimal places. In this case, the fewest number of decimal place is 1. Therefore, we need to round the answer to 1 decimal place. Because the number at the right side of 4 is less than 5, we will keep 4 the same. Thus, the final answer is 42.4 ml. As you can see here, the final answer has only 1 decimal place. It doesn't matter if we add or subtract. The rule is always the same, as we will see in the subtraction problem. 15.7570 grams minus 10.50 grams. Step 1. Calculate the difference. The answer here is 5.2570 grams. Step 2. Count the number of decimal places. In 15.7570 grams, there are 4 decimal places. In 10.50 grams, there are 2 decimal places. The fewest number of decimal places is 2. Therefore, we need to round the answer to 2 decimal places. Because the number at the right side of 5 is greater than 5, we will round up 5 to 6. Thus, the final answer is 5.26 grams. As you can see here, the final answer has 2 decimal places. Another problem, 240.18 grams plus 12 grams plus 6.5 grams. The answer here is 258.68 grams. In 240.18 grams, there are 2 decimal places. In 12 grams, there is no decimal place. In 6.5 grams, there is 1 decimal place. The fewest number of decimal place is none. Therefore, we need to round the answer to a whole number. Because the number at the right side of 8 is greater than 5, we will round up 8 to 9. Thus, the final answer is 259 grams. This final answer has no decimal place. One last problem, 14.25 cm minus 2 cm. When I encounter problems like this, I usually rewrite the problem vertically. In this way, I can easily see and count the number of decimal places in each number. The answer here is 12.25 cm. In 14.25 cm, there are 2 decimal places. In 2 cm, there is no decimal place. The fewest number of decimal place is none. Therefore, we need to round the answer to a whole number. Because the number at the right side of 2 is less than 5, we will keep 2 the same. Thus, the final answer is 12 centimeters. This final answer has no decimal places. So that's the rule for significant figures when adding and subtracting numbers. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.